Okay, everybody, I wanted to show you our updated UA map. We really don't like to use things directly from the VIP Kid curriculum. It's just one of those gray areas that we kind of feel iffy about. So I decided to rework it and create our own. So I am going to show you how to use the template to make your own UA maps. And I'm going to show that by putting the new UA map into this wonderful reward that was made by Patricia Smith. So I'm going to use all the GIFs and images that she has. I'm just going to change up the actual map itself. So this is a 5-level UA. So I opened up the template that says 5 levels in it, and I made a copy. Then I changed the name of the file to match the lesson SN. So I am just going to copy this and change the title on the title page. So now it is named correctly. This first one is just blank. We're going to leave it that way. But then this is where you start to show, look, you finished level 1. So I'm going to go over here to check, and it's a little name tag. So I am going to search for a name tag PNG. But there's a good one. I'm going to, oops, sorry. I'm still getting used to my Mac. Copy image, and I'm going to go to my file and paste it in. And I'm going to make it nice and small because I don't want it to take up the whole UA map. Right there. That looks good. And then I can use a text box to add his name in, which I think is Leo. So I'm going to use a nice clear font. That's probably too big. Make sure it's centered and looks good. There. Make it bold. Okay, and then I'm going to actually group that so I can just copy it as one. I'm going to want to copy this onto all of the pages, but I'll show you how I'm going to do that in an easy way. I'll go ahead and copy it because I'm going to go to the level 2. I'm going to paste that in first because we want the level 1 reward to show. Then I'm going to go back, and level 2 looks like it's a birthday cake. So I will go to the same search. Birthday cake, PNG. I want it to be transparent. And these, the resolution isn't as important because they're going to be really small, but you still don't want it to be a blurry image to start with. And you definitely want it to be a PNG so you can see the map behind it. Same thing as before. I paste it in, resize it, put it over the level. And now I'm going to go and I'm going to select both of these, copy, and add it down to my level 3 map. So those are already there. Level 3 is the map or a flag of the USA. So I'll see if I can find one that looks pretty similar to that. USA flag map, PNG. We'll see what that comes up with. Ah, perfect. So copy image, go back to the map, paste it in, make it smaller, and put it over the level. Because they're PNG, you can get them pretty close to the text without covering it up. Okay, same thing. Copy all 3. Go to my next level, paste them in, and now I'm finding my level 4, which looks like a house because he lives in New York. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to do house PNG, and I want a small one that's cute, maybe colorful since the map itself is that kind of orangey brown color. Let's see, is that cute? It's got a watermark and it's not PNG, so that's not going to work. We might have to go with just a plain looking one. Oh, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that might work. It's a little blurry, but it's going to be super small, so I'm not super concerned about that. Go here, paste it in. Now that I have it here, I'm not crazy about it. The orange kind of blends in with the map. So I am going to find a different one. Maybe one that's white or, oh, let's see. That might be cute. It's very simple. It has a little bit of a better resolution. Let's try this one. Yeah, that'll be cute. And put it over level 4. That can be a little bit bigger. Okay, go through, select them all, copy. Be careful because this is actually all of the stuff in the background are all in pieces. I didn't do one big image. So if you click on it and move it, just hit undo to move things back. All right, copy, go down to the next one, paste it in, and let's see what our level 5 reward is. Level 5 is apples. Okay, that will be easy to find a good one. Apple PNG. Let's see, everything else I've used has been kind of cartoony, so I'll look for, not a PNG, not good enough. There we go. Copy image, paste it in, and the level 5 is kind of up in the corner, so you have to be a little creative. I'm gonna put it just in front right here. As long as it's near the level 5, I think it works. So then I want all of these on my last spot. So I'm going to select them all. Oops, nope, not that. Lord have mercy. Sorry, I am getting used to, I have been a PC user my whole life, and switching over to Mac has been interesting. I love it, but it's interesting. Okay, so now that I have all the PNG images on the map itself, I'm going to go in. This is where I'm going to find my GIFs or my big images for the reward. Thankfully, Miss Patricia has already found all of these, so I'm just going to copy over what she has. I'm going to delete the text, paste in the image. Bam! That's all there is to it. I'm just going to find my images. Oh, it looks like she used the color picker there. That's awesome. I'm going to copy, paste, and then I will use my color picker so it matches. Copy that code, background. There we go. Same thing. So I'm just going to do the same thing for all of this. I will work on updating the ones that are already in the drive. So if you've submitted a UA map, don't worry about having to fix it and resubmit. I will take care of that. But if you are wanting to make a new one, please use our new template. This kind of saves us from the gray area of using VIPKid materials in our slides. So I hope this helps. I love these UA maps. I think they make the reward systems for UA super simple. You don't have to worry about a lot of different conflicting stuff. So please try them out if you haven't. Talk to y'all later. Happy sliding.